Welcome to Car Info Master, your go-to channel for the latest updates on heavy machinery, cars, and automotive innovations. If you love powerful machines and want to stay updated with the newest releases, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Caterpillar has officially unveiled the next generation 2025 Caterpillar D12 series, bringing more power, efficiency, and advanced technology to the world of heavy machinery. This new series is designed to handle the toughest tasks with improved performance, making it a game-changer in the industry. The 2025 Caterpillar D12 comes with a high-performance, fuel-efficient engine that delivers more horsepower while reducing emissions. This means operators get more power without sacrificing fuel economy. The latest emission control technology ensures compliance with environmental regulations, making it both powerful and eco-friendly. The upgraded hydraulic system provides better control, smoother operation, and increased efficiency. Operators will experience improved maneuverability, allowing them to complete tasks faster with less effort. The enhanced undercarriage and heavy-duty tracks ensure durability, making the D12 perfect for tough job sites. Caterpillar has also introduced smart technology in the D12 series. A new digital monitoring system provides real-time data on performance, fuel usage, and maintenance needs. This helps operators and fleet managers optimize efficiency and prevent breakdowns by addressing potential issues before they become serious problems. The redesigned operator cabin offers maximum comfort and functionality. With better visibility, an improved seating system, and an intuitive touchscreen interface, operators can work for longer hours without fatigue. Noise reduction technology also makes the work environment more comfortable. Safety has been a major focus in the new D12 series. It comes equipped with enhanced visibility features, automatic braking assistance, and an advanced collision avoidance system, ensuring maximum protection for operators and workers on site. With its combination of power, efficiency, and smart technology, the 2025 Caterpillar D12 is set to revolutionize heavy machinery. This bulldozer is designed to handle the toughest challenges while offering improved fuel economy and lower emissions. Visuals of the Caterpillar D12 at work, moving massive amounts of earth with ease. That wraps up our look at the new Caterpillar D12 series. What do you think about this powerful machine? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Info Master for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.